Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an easy and simple travel journal cover. I tried to keep the materials as minimal as possible, so I used a black sketch and a black marker. I tried to come up with a quote or a phrase for my travel journal cover, but nothing struck, so I ended up writing "Take me away." You can use any kind of font you want. To keep it simple, I'm just using normal capital letters. So next I tried to come up with some designs and I ended up with an airplane because it was easy. I'm not gonna lie. And then I thought of adding some clouds to it just to make it look better. At first I thought of coloring this with the sketch, but it was really difficult. So I chose a marker. You can use watercolors, acrylic paint, poster colors, anything you want. But as I said earlier, I wanted to keep the things as minimal as possible, so I chose a marker. And yeah, here we have a final design. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.